Can we sell fish? Come on. Tourists all over the island, all over Jamaica, then come right here so at Jamaica. The beaches, the atmosphere, the people, regardless.
So what if it's not a Benz? It's a carrying companions.
So what TV for entertainment?
So what if we can't buy juice? We just go back to our roots.
You swing it either.
I not do.
Hello, welcome back to So What TV. My name is Ryan, and today on the channel, we're gonna talk to Jamaicans, both local and overseas. We're gonna find out if they're still proud to be Jamaicans and the reason why they are or why they're not. This is one of the current discussions being held in the country right now. Right? Are Jamaicans happy with the situations here? Or are the ones living overseas happy with what is going on in their country of birth? So, come along and let's find out.
What's going on, people? This is Dre from Heartman Adventures. The question for today is, am I proud to be a Jamaican? And the answer to that is 110% yes. Reason, I consider Jamaica to be the best, the most unique, and honestly just the best country for anybody to call home. Yes, we do have a couple of challenges, but the vast majority of people that you will come across in Jamaica are the most warm, welcoming, and hospitable people. Trust me, anywhere you go in Jamaica, you will find people there who are just, they've never met you and they are welcoming to you and they treat you the best that you can ever ask for. As it relates to our natural resources, I think we have some of the best natural resources out there in the world. The rivers, the beaches, the nice white sandy beaches. Imagine you can just wake up on any given day and you can find somewhere out here where you can bring your family to, and it's like you're having a vacation. It's like you're going to a 5-star vacation spot that you would have to pay so much to travel to if you were living in a different country. Rivers, you can just go there, have a relaxing time with your friends, with your family. And for me, just the fact that I can wake up every morning, I get this beautiful sunshine most days, I get a beautiful sunset most days, I have my natural resources that I can take advantage of. And again, I said the people of Jamaica are what really caused me to fall in love with this country so much, because we have some of the best people you can come across, the kindest, the warmest, and just the most welcoming people you will ever come across. And as it relates to culture, I think we have one of the best, one of the most diverse culture out there. Really love our culture, love our heritage, and if you look at it, the amount of icons that Jamaica has delivered to the world, when you consider Usain Bolt, Shelley and Fraser, Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, all of these people are great legends who the world across recognize to be legends, and they consider them as icons out there. And for that simple reason, I am very proud to consider myself a Jamaican. I've never traveled to other countries. However, what I've heard from people who have traveled and people who visit Jamaica, they consider Jamaica to be like a paradise. So I don't see why I shouldn't consider myself lucky and feel very proud to say I'm a Jamaican. I am a proud Jamaican. I will sell that to the world, and if I go to heaven, I will call heaven Jamaica possibly.
So what TV? Of course I'm proud to be a Jamaican. All the fruits, not to mention the fish, the beautiful sunshine, the lush blue beach, Of course, I am proud to be a Jamaican. Jamaicans are warm. They are the best in the world. And for that, I stand proud out of many, one people.
Yes, I'm proud to be a Jamaican because everything is here. What I love, the series that I love, the people I love, and when I travel and go to the United States, I don't meet the love like what I meet in Jamaica. So that's why I'm proud to be a Jamaican.
So what TV? I am very proud to be a Jamaican because of the culture. Rastafarian. I wanted to be a Rastafarian, but I could not. I love the culture, I love the food, I love the banana chips, I love the ackee and shellfish. I love everything here. I love the mangoes, the fruits, the animals, the people, and also the celebrations that we do. So Cotton, I am glad to be with you.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you?
Excellent, excellent.
Oh,
So,
good.
we're doing interviews today on So What TV, asking the questions. Are you at this time proud to be a Jamaican? And if you are, or you're not, tell us why.
Yes, I'm proud to be a Jamaican, regardless of what is happening. Jamaica is a beautiful place. So right at this present moment, yes, 100% proud to be a Jamaican.
And why?
Reason why, I tell you this, Jamaica, we little bit about to tell her, you know, when you think about Bob Marley, anywhere you go in the world, find you say, Ja, them know say, a Jamaica that we are chat about, with language, with culture, everything, not to mention the fastest man in the world. Can you believe it? Our little island, Jamaica, Usain Bolt said that. We are here with Starfish, come on. Tourists all over the island, all over Jamaica, then come right here, so at Jamaica, the beaches, the atmosphere, the people, regardless, because you know crime they are everywhere, right?
Yeah.
Not only Jamaica, crime is everywhere. But when you think about our warm thing against, even our own, you know, we're warm against each other, regardless of the crime and everything we are going on, we're still warm and caring, you know. Look, burial past the other day and everybody come together and I try to help out each other. So 101% me proud every time. Now left here. I can't the Starfish. Music. Up there we say.
Is
Now
it
left
Jamaica
here.
straight?
Straight Jamaica. Now left here.
Alright, alright. Enough respect.
Blessing every time.
So What TV, I'm proud to be a Jamaican. Although I'll migrate to Canada, but yet Jamaica is still the best. I love the food, I love the culture, and I love the beach. I even love my mommy food, the best in the country. So I know that Jamaica is the blessed place for culture and food. Churches are great and the food are best. Thank you, So What TV. Have yourself a good evening.
I'm proud to be a Jamaican, yes. Island lovely and beautiful. And water the point and breeze a blow, cold breeze and cold chill.
Am I proud to be a Jamaican? Yes. Jamaican, you can play ball with your friends, hang out with your friends, and reason. And you can do all the things together. You can go river, swim, get jungle, fishing, sea, all the things. And we like to cook still, like ackee and banana and them something.
Yam.
And yam. And like the Jamaican girls. All the things.
Am I proud to be a Jamaican? Yes, I'm very proud to be a Jamaican. Why? I love the food, the culture, the music, and also the people. A bit still, but most of it is the people. The people are genuine. Sometimes back to back with you, but people are good.
So my friends, by unanimous, Jamaicans are still in love with Jamaica. everyone loving their country. Even though we're going through a little struggle, people are still crazy about Jamaica. Both Jamaicans locally and Jamaicans overseas still in love with Jamaica. So let us take care of our country, right? So that we can be prouder than ever. Continue to support your brothers and sisters. So until next time, Ryan from So What TV saying, enjoy our Jamaica off man. A lot is here for us.